Welcome guys, welcome to my channel. This is where you'll be studying physics unlike your board classroom. Are you interested in studying physics but don't know where to start? Do you really think physics is hard shell to crack? Here I am, I got your back. I'll be helping you to understand physics much better than your classroom. Then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. From today, I'll be starting a new series, one which helps you to understand physics better than anywhere else. Then let's dive into the course. Anyway, I'll be starting this course with the most fundamental definition, that is, what do you mean by a physical quantity? I know most of you might have skipped this in your classroom studies because it will not be having any significant effects on your grades. Since this course starts with the beginners, I must define what does it mean. So what do you mean by a physical quantity? So that you can understand the physics from the bottom rock. Then here it is, the definition for the physical quantity. A physical quantity is a property of a material or a system that can be measured and described using numerical values and units. So this is the physical quantity, the most fundamental definition that you need to know as an infant. Then let's see some examples. Length, mass, time, temperature, force. These are the few examples that I have listed for your reference. There are few more that we will be discussing in the next class. As for tomorrow, we will be classifying this physical quantity. Stay tuned. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.